In this guide, I'll show you how to turn off or disable crossplay in Overwatch 2. So the first thing you want to do is press start on your controller, and then you want to go to options. From here, you want to navigate over to gameplay at the top, and just beneath where I am right now is where you'll see cross-platform play. Now on PS5, you will be able to toggle off that feature in-game, but you'll see on Xbox it says please refer to Xbox system settings. So to turn it off on Xbox, what you want to do is press X on your controller and go to home. Then you want to go to the settings cogwheel in the top right. And we're going to scroll over and go to online safety and family. Go to privacy and online safety, Xbox privacy. And then you want to go to view details and customize. From here, you want to scroll down and go to communication and multiplayer. And here's where you'll have the ability to block cross platform play. But do bear in mind, you'll have to toggle this feature on or off every time you want to switch games and such. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.